How to create form in Asana 2025. In this video, I'm going to be quickly explaining to you on how you can create a form in Asana in the easiest and most simplest way. And to do so, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to get started off right away. Now, once you're in your Asana, as we are over here, what we're going to do is we're going to click on customize. And from here, we're going to scroll down to where it says forms. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to click on forms. And once you click on forms, you're going to click on add. Now, once you've done that, here it gives you a basic form, right? Now, you can start adding fields for yourself, all right? So let's say I'm going to add an attachment field right about here, okay? So a person needs to provide their name, their address, and then they're going to need to provide the attachment that's needed. You can also add your very own cover image and make your form, a little design worthy, give it some media. You can add in new questions for yourself as well. So, what is your age? Something like that. And then you can add options. So, just like this, you can create different forms. And once it's done, simply click on publish. Once you click on publish, you can copy links, send it out to people. And once someone goes over to it, they're going to turn it on. And as you can see, it starts loading in the form. And here's the form. So that is basically how easy and simple it is to create forms in Asana. Now, do make sure to check the link down in the description below to assign these accessibilities for yourself as well. And that is all for this video. So thank you for watching all the way till the end. And I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.